Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Friday, September 28th, 2012. We're going to be looking at Honeywell International, ticker symbols HON. Let me break out the old tools here. There you go, ticker symbol. And what we're looking at is very bullish chart formation. Was a previous high, pulls back down to low point, and breaks out of the previous resistance, which was here, closing above that point. And then we just basically kind of flatline move sideways there. That forms a very strong base formation, what we've been watching for a while. And then we advance from that point off of the news that you got on the Fed, and then you get a pull back thereafter. Going into the end of the month. Now, next week starts a new month, new Fed funds coming into the market, and again, you've got a hammer formation formed here off of the 50-day moving average. Typically, that's where you find support in an uptrend off the 50-day moving average, so finding the support there makes a lot of sense. And what I'm looking at this right now is a little channel that you're going to see. There's a lot of charts right now. There's this little downtrend channel going on, and once you close above that, like we did 2 days ago, or yesterday, you can see that that starts to be the first sign of reversal. Now, I know today was down compared to yesterday. That's fine. That's normal. What you've done here is you found resistance, 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 breakout, now test resistance, and we find support. So that's doing what it's supposed to be doing. You can even fall back into this box. But again, this is the main trade you're looking at here, and I expect next week you'll see a major move to the upside. The reason why there will be a major move, I'll go into that in tonight's market analysis video. But how I would trade this right now, you could be a buyer already of this particular stock with a stop sell up to 58.64 low, 1 cent below that. You could just simply draw your stop right there. The main thing you don't want to see here is a breakdown of this low. If you break that low, then you're starting to cause problems. The overall chart pattern is not as strong as it's supposed to be, and so forth and so on. As long as you got a series of higher highs, high point here, higher lows, low point here, higher low, then you're in an uptrend. The only question you should be asking yourself is, when do I buy? Okay? If you've not been to our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. In case I forgot to mention, when you buy here and you're wondering how high is she going to go, look for a test of this high and expect to break through. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.